Hello my people, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, today we want to make stew, like stew for rice. So we have our tomatoes. I like to use fresh tomatoes, and I have my protein. You can use any protein of your choice. I have chicken and turkey. And guys, I want to boil the meat, so I put the both together. So I want to use this ginger, onions and garlic and pepper, so I will blend down, use and take marinate the chicken, use and boil am. So guys, enjoy this video with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please highly subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. So guys, I like to use fresh tomatoes to cook my stew, like they give different taste. And me, anything where they can, I know they like tomatoes for can, I don't like can, so that's why I do use fresh tomatoes. So now I will grind this ginger, onions and garlic and pepper together, so that the meat will get taste. I will pour and put, use and take cook and use and take boil the meat. So after that, I put my salt to taste, and I put my maggi. I put what again? Like bell pepper, dry bell pepper, and my curry. Okay, so that it go look like Nigeria stew. So now I want boil the meat. I don't cover am, it don't boil a little bit. I want turn them together. And guys, it's not easy. I mean, they hold my phone. They hold the video myself. My stand not the way I did, so my stand where I take the video, I mean where I take the hold my phone, not the way I did. So I use one hand the whole phone, use one hand the cook. So guys, I need to cover the meat again, make it done. Now they blend my tomatoes, so I need to cut the tomatoes little by little, put for the machine, so that make it not spoil the machine. You know, this machine where they see these days, they're not the strong. Just now it all the bone, just now the down all the hot. So now I dey cut my tomatoes to blend them. That's how I go take blend all the tomatoes finish. After blending the tomatoes, so it's easy when I cut them like that, it dey easy to blend. So after blending the tomatoes, I need to pour them in the pot. I want to steam it a little bit. I'll steam am. So I checking on my meat again, if my meat is ready. Like the pot is too small to boil the tomatoes. I grind my bell pepper and my onions and my pepper separate. So not only the tomatoes I go boil, parboil the tomatoes. So you go see the way I take filter the tomatoes. I boil them 2 times because the pot is small for me. My meat is almost done, so I go soon fry am. And the next thing to do now to cover and make it done a little bit. And now I want to start to the fry am. My tomatoes done ready. I need to turn this one comot, make I put the other second batch of tomatoes, so that it go steam a little bit. And guys, I like to use air fryer to fry my meat, but where I did air fryer not dey there, so I not get another option na to use oil to fry my meat. And so the meat is almost dried. I like when my meat dry well, so that it go dey a little bit okay. I dey like dry meat. So the meat don't dry, I need to comot am for oil, and voila. So guys, this meat I fit tell you people, before the turkey wey dey inside, before I finish cooking, my children don chop am. They don't chop the turkey finish, because they like turkey well, and because of the make me go buy the turkey. I never even dey fry and they don dey chop and finish. So guys, this na the tomatoes. If you buy tomatoes, you no wan even use am, you go fit parboil am, no put pepper, no put anything, just boil am, filter am, just even you go just boil, pour am for filter like this, and you go see the whole water go come out. E go come, you see and see the way the water dey come out. E wan be like 2 tomatoes. You fit just do am like this, put am for wetin they call am, cellophane, put am for your freezer. Even anytime when you wan use am, you are good to go. Even though you no wan cook stew the day when you boil am, just put am, let am cool down, preserve am, put am for your freezer. So now this oil wey I take fry meat, now I wan take fry the stew. I add a little bit of olive oil join am. If not be that oil, I like to use olive oil to take cook my stew. So but because of that oil may not waste, so I need to add olive oil join am. Now I don dey fry my onions. After the onions, now my tin tomatoes. I need to put my tin tomatoes. I go allow the tin tomatoes to dry, like e go dry, no be say e burn o. Yes, sometimes if you do mistake leave am, you come be like wetin burn. But I like to use this long bell pepper. E better pass tin tomatoes, but I no see that one. I make I dey use tin tomatoes. Normally I no dey like wetin dey can, like that red bell pepper. If you buy am, just dry am for oven, you come blend am, e be like tin tomatoes. E better pass tin tomatoes. So as I no see am buy for here, na make I dey use tin tomatoes. You let the tin tomatoes dry a little bit. Now put my grounded pepper, onions and garlic. So now I need to wait a little bit, make it done before I go pour my tomatoes inside. So guys, now it done a little bit. I need to pour my blended tomatoes inside. One hour per boy today. So you see the way the tomatoes look like the stew is ready. I need to give the stew time, make it take done. If it don't done, I need to add a little bit of oil for that oil where I take fry something. So now I put the remaining curry where I first use remain. This one are African curry, Nigerian curry. If you see the smell, they different from the one where they Europe. So now this is my stock meat, the water. So I need to put my water inside so that it may dey lighten a little bit. It's too thick, may get space to done. So now I need to add my meat inside. So I can't give am space. Make the chicken and the turkey, they made they suck the stew, make the stew enter inside. So guys, that is all. How to cook, how I cook my stew. Everybody have the way they cook their stew, but me, this is my way of cooking my stew. And guys, thank you for watching. Now our stew is ready. So what do we need to do now? See, this stew for real, for life, e fine. Like the camera no dey do the justice to this stew. You know they show am well. You know they show am well. Without camera, you see the way the stew take fine, the oil dey on top. So now don't boil my rice. I need to serve. So this one is for 4 people, me, my husband, and my 2 kids. So here is our food, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Please do subscribe and like this video, share.